This is a cup of deadly mercury. The man drank it without hesitation. The next moment, his skin began turning green. Even his blood was replaced with green liquid. The mercury rapidly invaded the man's body. As the DNA in his body decomposed, his physical form gradually disintegrated. Soon the man couldn't even stand. Suddenly, with a crack, the man lost balance and fell from a massive cliff to his death. Billions of years later, a group of scientists discovered his head. The head had significant research value. They immediately brought it back to the lab for study. But when they removed the helmet, the scene before them left the scientists completely stunned. The head showed no signs of decay. It even began growing new skin. Everyone became instantly excited. They quickly inserted instruments into the head, planning to extract brain fluid for research. Seeing the head suddenly revive, several people froze in shock. But due to the pressure, the head soon began bleeding. Researchers hurriedly placed it in a container. The head exploded inside the container. Thus, the mission to find human origins lost an important clue. It turned out scientists had discovered a mysterious mural that seemed related to human origins. So they built a super spacecraft to explore the corresponding planet. After they arrived, they actually discovered some clues. But with the arrival of a sandstorm, they had to temporarily abandon their exploration. However, 2 researchers got lost and were left underground. The sandstorm severely interfered with signals. They discovered some containers. Something seemed to be swimming inside. The man tried to touch it, but was immediately bitten. His teammate tried to kill the creature, but its blood was highly corrosive. Eventually, both were killed by the unknown life form. Meanwhile, at the base, the man who had contact with the liquid quickly mutated. He felt unbearable pain. To prevent unpredictable consequences, he chose to end his life by jumping in a fire. To find a solution, they had to enter the base again, searching for ways to defeat the monsters. They found a creator who was still alive, but he suddenly attacked, beginning to assault the group. Under the man's powerful strength, the exploration team quickly fell apart. Only Kelly successfully escaped. The monster activated the machine. Soon a cockpit appeared. He sat right in it. As the helmet and safety belt closed, the ground split open. It turned out this was an enormous base.